Hi everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis under fetal medicine, and this is a 30-week fetus referred as polyhydramnios for second opinion. This was a single live fetus in longitudinal lie and breech presentation. These are the three sequential uh, uh, coronal scans of the fetal face over 1 hour. So this is the image. What is a very challenging uh, case scenario. And what do you find? Do you find any abnormality? So this case scenario is to illustrate the importance of pattern recognition, which is the very basic method of diagnosis, and following a checklist which is crucial to pick up certain subtle anomalies, certain findings, subtle findings. And if you like challenges, so this is a good challenge to see what is the finding and what is the diagnosis. If you'd like to see the workup of the case scenario, please log on to sonoshare.in.